In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily crop a photo to 3:4 aspect ratio on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max without using any third-party apps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then search for a photo you would like to crop and tap on it. After that, tap at Edit to head over to Edit mode. Then tap at Crop, and after that, tap right here at that button. That will show us that different aspect ratio presets. We can drag it left or right until we find the preset we would like to use. Here we got 3:4. To apply it, we can just tap on it. And then also we can change it from portrait mode to landscape mode. After that, we can, using our two fingers, pinch it to zoom in or zoom out, and that's how we can position our photo in that 3:4 frame. Once it is done, to save the changes, don't forget to tap at Done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.